Hello guys, this is Carol from Igracelite. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Cold Spark machine to make the programs. So first, if you have 3 pieces Cold Spark machine and I need to make the Cold Spark machine effect like left to right or left to right to middle A, B effect. So let me show you how to set up the Cold Spark machine. And first, you can see the middle number, the display middle number. We can adjust it, right? So if I set up this one is a number 1 machine, and the next one is I can change the number to number 2 and number 3. And if I have 4 pieces, you can set up number 4 and 5, 6. The maximum you can connect the 15 pieces together 1 times. And here, the third number means you want to control the Cold Spark machine how many pieces. If you can see, I control this is 3 pieces, so I set up the number is 3. We need to press the remote control number. You can see. If I have 4, I can press the 4. You can see 7 and 9. The A is show you it means 10 pieces, and B is 11, C is 12, 13, 14, and 15. Maximum is 15 pieces can work together. You can see this one is 8 effect is left to right. Each machine do the function. I press the Next is from left and the right side to the middle. They have 2 pieces machine do function at the same time. Okay, this one is middle from left and the right side. And next is a B effect. B effect, this is from left to right, increase one machine do function till all the machine do the function. This is from left right to middle, increase 2 machine and till all the machine do function. Here is middle to left to right, increase 2 machine until all the machine do function. So that is all the effect in this remote control is 8 effect and the bit effect. Okay, and after you use the Cold Spark machine, use to clean the powder, clean the This is means you clean the residual powder from the pipe, and the next you should pour out the unusual powders. Turn off the Cold Spark machine, and there are some unusual powders you should pour out. Yes, and to protect the machine to use a long time.